Bonjour, je suis Jiawen. Je suis étudiant at ITE. I started cooking when I was 9 years old.
Hi, I'm Daniel. After graduating from my NITE course, I have served my nation and worked 2 years before taking out my technical diploma.
My name is Dior, and I'm the only girl in my automotive engineering course. I've always liked cars since I was in secondary school.
I chose this course because I think that it's a better choice if I want to further my studies in university.
I like that it's more practical and hands-on, and it's also very fun. The environment in ITE is very vibrant.
When my family heard that I was getting a diploma, they were very proud of me because they didn't think that I would pursue automotive for so long. But now I'm taking a diploma. They are supporting me.
But have to be prepared and know that there's a lot of theory also, even though it's a culinary course. I believe that if you come with passion and a willingness to learn, I think it's manageable and you'll really enjoy the course.
Before joining this course, always plan and research before coming in and have a mindset to learn to help you with the course modules easier. For me, after completing my PhD course, I will either further my study in Germany or continue working in the engineering sector.
For me, after completing the course, I will continue in the F&B industry, either being a chef or working in the management team, and also pursue my career of being a boss in a restaurant.